Look at this! Zuma and Chase are coming to help.
Hey guys, it's Miriam with lots of toys. Are you part of our channel? If not, click the subscribe button to become part of our channel and see fun videos posted daily.
Here are some fun new Paw Patrol toys we're going to open. The first one is Jungle Explorer 2-pack. It's a jungle rescue. It includes Zuma and Chase,
as well as Mandy, the monkey.
They have 2 fun vehicles. Chase's vehicle has a lookout duck. You can place the figurines inside the vehicle so they can roll to the rescue. But now let's go ahead and open up this fun one and play with it. There's very little assembly required. Zuma's hovercraft runs on wheels. Could go pretty fast. Here's Chase and his rescue vehicle. You've got a moving tool in the back. Mandy can ride along in the back. Chase is a jungle explorer and rescuer, and just like Zuma, he's equipped for that. They have their explorer boots,
Explorer hats,
and their rescue gear on their backs.
Mandy loves to tag along and get into trouble.
The pups have moving parts, including their heads and their legs. Their other gear is not removable, and they ride the rescue vehicle off to the jungle rescue.
Hop on board, Mandy.
Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol.
Let's go ahead and open up Rubble's rig too.
Rubble's cranny.
Yeah, he has a crane on this one. It's a new one.
Hey, help me get out of jail.
It's a Diggin Bulldozer.
Get me out of jail now.
And look at this. You can also lift and lower the crane in the back.
Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol. Ooh, 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 ah, 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 ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ah.
Yeah, let's go ahead and open up this toy.
Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ah.
She doesn't have a driver's license for a rig.
Mandy. Ria, 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 Ria. Meh, 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 meh. Boop, burp, burp, burp.
There is a working scoop, however. It does have movable parts so you can pick up debris and haul it away. Look at this! Zuma and Chase are coming to help. More TIE fighters.
blasters. Oh, and did you notice something really cool? Twist the engine and it moves the blasters.
That's cool. Does it fire?
Yeah, it does. Press this little button to fire it.
There are blasters at the bottom too.
But they're really hard to fire when it's on the ground.
What is this ship called?
The Imperial Assault Carrier.
And it does carry TIE fighters. Right at the bottom.
Oh, and do you know what's the coolest part?
What's the coolest part? Troopers.
There are little crate spots. There's one there. And one here.
And who's that guy sitting on the crates?
A pilot. You have to look at the window though. Bird.
Whoa, that's cool.
There's the pilot.
And he's got a lever so he can control this thing.
There's like a little control panel. It's printed to direct the pilot. Oh, and did I tell you that there are missile cannons right here?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's time to fix the TIE fighters and attach them to the transporter.
Oh, did I show you could stack them?
Nice.
Triple TIE fighters. Never you're in trouble. Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol will be there on the double. Ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah.
That's it for us, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe and watch more by clicking the eye above.